Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is how to hide unused cells Google Spreadsheet. So guys, if you want to hide a cell, just simply go ahead and select a row. And after that, just simply right click on it. And from here, you should be able to see here, hide a row. And from there, you should be able to hide it. And when you right click on it, and from here, you will have an option and hide rows, and you should be able to get it back. So guys, you can do it also in a column. As you can see, just simply select a column, right click on it, and you should be able to hide it over here. And guys, if you select a cell and right click on it, as you can see, sadly as of now, you don't have an option to hide a certain cell. So you only have an option to hide a row and a column. And there you go. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.